Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X3 Pro, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. Before we will start, I highly recommend to check the link which is in the description box. It will lead you to our website, the HardReset.Info, where you will be able to enter the codes section directly for the OPPO Find X3 Pro. You will be able to copy them and paste them if you feel that you want to learn more about those codes. So let's open the dialer and let me enter the first code, which is *#06#. And thanks to this code, we are provided with both email numbers of this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you similar code, which is *#07#, and we can check the maximum SAR level, so we can check the head and the body of our device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another code, which will be probably the easiest to remember. It is *1234#, not 9#. And here we can check the version of our device. Let's open the phone software info, and the code for it is *6776#. And as I said, we are in the software version, so we can check technical information just like the model, kernel, version, branch, etc. Let's go back and let me show you the hardware info. It is *888#. And as you can see, here you can check the PCB number, which is more, you can scan this QR code and learn more about the hardware. Let's go back and let me show you another code, which will open the diagnostics provided by Google. It is *#426#*##*#. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics, so here we can check the events and the status. As you can see, we've got some information. We can also show advanced view. 3 dots icon, tap on advanced view and tap on the status again, and we've got much more info. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you another code, which will open the calendar information. It is *##225#*##*#. And here we've got the calendar info, so basically we've got all the events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best section to check the events, because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code, which will open the feedback menu. And the code is *800#. Of course, give the permissions, and basically in this section, if you've got any kind of problems with your device, so the system performance, the multimedia, camera, screen, so touch screen issues, sensor, etc., you can report them here. So just tap on the screen, just tap on the touch screen issues, and basically you will be able to record the screen and always allow. You will be able to record the screen just by tapping on start. You can try to do something in which situation you meet some kind of problems, and then you can report it to the developer and hopefully get some feedback and help. Let me show you the last code, the longest one probably. *##, 4 O's, ###. And here we've got the device information, so again, kind of technical info like the hardware version, the baseband version. We've got the email number, of course, here, both basically email numbers, etc. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.